Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram account using a laptop or PC. It's simple way, you don't need any app or any extension. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, here I have logged to my Instagram account. This is the normal window. You can see when you log to your Instagram account using a laptop. Okay, let's see how to do that. uh, Here you need to right click and make sure first you need to use your Chrome browser. Okay, then right click, then you can see on the top, bottom inspect, click on that. Here now you will get this kind of window. Here you can see mobile toggle device toolbar. In here you can see mobile icon. Click on that, then you can see the window is changing. It changed. This is the mobile view. Here then you can see here different screen resolutions. Moto G4, Galaxy S5, Pixel 2, iPhone X, iPhone 5 SE, iPad Pro, and then you need to select this window, mobile window. Then you need to put your cursor on your Instagram account, then right click, then click on reload. Yes, here now you can see in the bottom plus icon, the upload icon. Now you can upload images. This is the view how you see in your mobile device. Here you can see home, search, upload icon, notifications, and your profile. Now you can upload your images to Instagram account in this method. Click on plus icon. This is a normal process. Select image, then here you can use filters and edit image, then click on next and write caption from Google. You can put your tags and your location and tag people. Click on share. Yes, it's shared now. It's uploaded now. Yeah, this is the method you can use your Instagram account using your PC, and you can upload your images to your Instagram account in this method. This is same as your mobile device. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.